Hey guys, so um, the issue that I've been having is that the coolant temperature reaches, I'm getting the error high coolant temperature on the dash. Um, check the temperature and the coolant temperature reaches 95 degrees, but the fan doesn't turn on. So I downloaded a few user manuals, and with the help of the people in the community and the forums, I was able to figure out a circuit diagram. This is a rough circuit diagram, but I'll prepare a better one and see what I can do about it. So far what I've figured out is, okay, so if I can just give you a brief idea. So far, that's the fuse which goes into the relay, and from the relay it comes into the fan. From the relay it also goes into the ECU, and that's the sensor, and that's the instrument cluster. So now what I'll be doing is checking the continuity from the fuse to the relay, from the relay to the fan, from the ECU 49 pin to the relay, from the switch harness to the ECU, and then from the from the sensor switch to the ECU. Instrument cluster, it's kind of difficult right now. If I can just, it's kind of difficult right now considering all the things I'll have to dismantle, but let's see what I can do. Maybe I can figure something out from there. I mean, that's the plug for the ECU, instrument cluster, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Okay, so first, as per my diagram, I'm going to be checking the connectivity of the orange wire, which is from the fuse to the relay. Okay, so now, as per the instructions here, that's the fan relay. Where's that? Radiator fan relay, 15 amps, which is the fifth one. That's the fifth one. I already plugged it out. 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'm just gonna, now as per the wiring diagram that I have, this would be the relay for the fan right there, where it says fan relay. Right now, if you look at the bottom connections, okay, I don't know if it's difficult to see, but that's the orange wire, and the orange wire comes to the second plug, which basically activates when electricity is provided in these two plugs. So I'm just gonna put the probe in there, and then put the other probe in there, and there we go. So the probe that I put in here is right here, so that's good. Okay, now as per my diagram, from the relay, gray and yellow goes to the fan, so we'll check that continuity as well. So the gray and yellow wire from the relay would be the one on the top, which is right there, which is the top plug. So I'm just gonna plug this in here. Okay, I'm just gonna switch that, and then I'm gonna go on the other side and connect it to the radiator fan. Okay, so it works. From the relay to the fan, the wire is good. Okay, so from the fuse to the relay, we are good. From the relay to the fan, we are good. Now from the relay to the ECU plug 49, which is the green and pink. Now I've gone ahead and used the little, I've plugged in a little wire here on the 49 plug. And if I zoom out on the relay, that's the green and pink right there, which is this one, which is electricity. And if I just connect it, so we're good. The harness is good. Okay, so now, so you've checked from the fuse to the relay, from the relay to the fan, and then from the relay to the ECU. Now from the ECU to the switch, the pink blue, which is the 30 plug, 30 pin on the ECU plug, and that goes to the switch. So I've already inserted the wire there on the 30. I'm not going to move it because it's very delicate. Now we're going to check the continuity. So I'm holding the switch, the pink blue, and the ECU. We are good here. Okay, and now the yellow and white wire, which is the 42nd pin on the ECU plug, that's what we'll be checking. I've already inserted the wire in the 44th pin, and I'm going to be checking the continuity now. Works.